Assalamualaikum. Isang maulan na araw sa inyong lahat. It's been raining here every day. It's already 1 week. Today I'm going to cook simpleng ulam. Simpleng buhay kaya simpleng ulam. We call it anchovy fish curry. And we here in Bangladesh, tatawag namin yan ng mula mash. In my language, Cebuano, bulinaw. And in Tagalog, we call it dilis. So I think most of the people know this popular fish, dilis. It's been a week we used to eat meat or chicken, so it's time to change the menu. Baka lilipad tayo sa kakain ng manok. Sorry. Ayan, umulan na naman. It's raining. Walang magagawa si Manang, kaya magluto na naman ng ulam. So, stay tuned and let's get started. So here we are in my small kitchen, my tiny kitchen. So here I have the green chili, onion, and here my anchovy fish, o bulinaw, dilis, or mulamas, o ano pa ba mga tawag nito. So it's already washed and clean. I removed the dirty things from the inside. So I have also here the eggplant. I cut it in this way, and also the potatoes. So I soak it in the water so it will not getting black. Para hindi siya mangingitim. Kailangan ibabad sa tubig. So only that, the ingredients. So here in my pan, I heat it in a medium fire, and then I add some oil on it, and then I add the onion, green chili. So just do it until the onion is getting slightly cooked, and then you can add some ginger garlic paste. This is very important for all the curry, ginger garlic paste. And then add some salt to taste, and turmeric powder and coriander powder, or mixed powder, I think, mixed spicy. So since I put some green chili, so I didn't add more spicy powder here. This is only medium hot spicy. So as you can see, I add some water on it. So once it's boiled for 1 minute, you can add the eggplant and the potatoes. So halu-haluin mo lang ng bahagya, o haluin mo lang hanggang sa ma-cook siya. Just cover it and simmer it for a few minutes, and then stir it occasionally. And you can add once it's half cooked, the eggplant and potatoes, you can add the anchovy fish with the tomato. Alam nyo ba? Ako hindi pa. There is health benefits, the anchovies, o itong dilis na isda. As according to my Google search, disclaimer again, I'm not a professional or nutrient, ano bang tawag doon? Basta, based on my Google search, these anchovies have many vitamins and minerals that provide major health benefits. They are best known as a source of omega 3 fatty acids. Oh wow, that's why no wonder too much people eating this fish, which promote brain and heart health. So maganda pala to sa puso. Now alam ko na. Kailangan ko nang kakainin to every week. And then kaya wag po nating ismulin ang dilis dahil masustansya siya at masarap pa. You can cook it in different ways. So ilan lang yan sa mga benefits ng anchovy fish. So ayan, I continue to boil it and simmer it until the potato and eggplant will get cooked or getting tender. So the eggplant and the tomato should not be very soft, just normal the tender. So here I'm trying to taste it. It's almost done and ready to serve.